Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. Today's price action, I don't want to say historic because that's not quite the right word, but a level that hasn't been seen for a long time. This will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the videos for the past several weeks. But for the longest time, the price has just been stuck inside of this very, very stubborn channel between 0008 and 0012. In fact, the last time the price was, up above this level, back here in, right around May 18th. But really, the last time the price actually closed above the level, I'm not sure if ever. Because many times the price is, so the last time the price was closing up above here, back here in April. Yeah, the price has been up above there several times, but as far as closing up above it, it's been a long time. So from that perspective, today was a very, very nice move. And which brings about a few things. First is some house cleaning. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. Yes, it still pertains, but not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So just get rid of that. And the first big update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that goes back to the whole point about, yeah, it's been a while since the price has closed above the area. The price has closed above 0012, and you definitely want to see the price stay up above it going forward. But like I said, so far so good. After that first, part of the day, the lowest the price actually got was at 0013. So 0012, definitely that, new key area of support. And as long as the price stays above there, then that's implying that the price is, maintaining a very big historic movement in terms of finally breaking out of the channel. I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say this, but the last thing you want to see the price do is go back inside of the channel that it just broke out of, right? You want to see the price now start to maintain above the channel and ideally build a channel higher than the previous channel, because that's how those uptrends are built. Now, on the flip side of things, what about levels of resistance? At this point, all about 0016. You can see on 2 different occasions, the bulls try to fight up through there, but there and there, the bears did smack it back down. So that'll be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. But in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through a healthy consolidation and building a higher base, and that higher base being defined as 0012 for the reasons we've just discussed. So great way to start off the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this move or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.